When rotating objects in Adobe Photoshop, have you ever wished that Photoshop would remember the original orientation of your object? When we select our sample icon, we can see that it has this bounding box around it. And right now, that bounding box is perfectly upright. But as we rotate our icon, we can see that the box rotates with it, allowing us to easily see just how much we've rotated our object from its original position. But then, if we hit Enter to accept that change, the box immediately resets. And even if we were to go up here to Edit, Free Transform, or use the shortcut Control-T or Command-T on a Mac, the box is still fully upright. So Photoshop will no longer show you how far it's rotated from its original position. And if later you want to unrotate it, you pretty much have to guess how far you need to rotate it back to where it was, because Photoshop does not remember the original position for that layer. But thankfully, there is a way to make Photoshop remember. So let's first undo all of that using Control-Z or Command-Z on a Mac. And this time, before we rotate anything, let's go over here to our Layers panel, right-click on the layer that we're adjusting, and we're going to select Convert to Smart Object. And now our layer gets this little icon in the corner, telling us that it has successfully been converted to a smart object, which gives us some cool new functionality. So now that we've converted our layer to a smart object, let's try that again. We'll once again grab our object and start rotating, and then we'll hit Enter to accept that change. And now it may look like that bounding box was reset again, but if we go back up to Edit, Free Transform, or use the shortcut Control-T or Command-T on a Mac, then we can see it now shows the original bounding box, allowing us to see exactly how much it has been rotated from its original position. And if we want to put that back to where it started, Photoshop remembers exactly where that angle needs to be to put it back in its original position. So now we never have to worry about trying to remember exactly how much we've rotated our objects. With Smart Objects, Photoshop remembers for you. And now that you've mastered rotating smart objects, did you know that you can easily cycle through tools that share the same shortcut in Adobe Photoshop? I have a video right here to show you this simple but powerful workflow.